The animals, the fish, the sponges are just incredible. It's like going to Mars and seeing something living there that nobody's seen before. But this is in our backyard.
This is BBC World, the headlines. The governing centre-right party of the French President Nicolas Sarkozy has won a comfortable majority in the final round of parliamentary elections, though not the predicted landslide victory. And those are the latest headlines from BBC World News, and you can get full details and in-depth reports on all those stories and others at bbcnews.com.
Now on BBC World, the latest business, economic and market news from the world's leading financial capitals in World Business Report.
World Business Report, in association with Shell.
Hello again, I'm Aaron Hazelhurst. Thanks for joining us for the World Business Report. Lift off, the Paris Air Show gets underway. We'll see if Airbus can win back airspace lost to Boeing. Favorite oil firm reports results, but profits at Rosneft are expected to slump.
And from the London Stock Exchange, Rupert Murdoch may be facing competition in his bid to get his hands on Dow Jones.
In Asia, China Mobile is planning a blockbuster initial public offering in the domestic market. It could be the largest ever in the mainland.
And of course, we'll be talking to Rico and Joe very shortly. But first, the Paris Air Show gets underway today, Monday, and certainly the bragging over giant deals has already begun. Reports say that the Dubai-based carrier Emirates will place a $3 billion order with Airbus for its new A380 Super Jumbo. It'd certainly be a boost for Airbus, which has fallen behind its US rival Boeing. Well, you're watching World Business Report in a few minutes. The trillion-dollar question, is the slump in government bond prices over? And why should we even care?
Egypt's reinvention as an upmarket golfing destination. Can its Mediterranean coast put itself onto the tourist map? That's this Saturday on BBC World.
Welcome back. You're watching the World Business Report. In a moment, a look ahead to this week's events on the US stock market. But first, it's over to Anya for the news headlines.
Aaron, thank you. The governing centre-right party of the French President Nicolas Sarkozy has won a comfortable majority in the final round of parliamentary elections, though not the predicted landslide victory. The US-led coalition in Afghanistan says it's killed 7 children during an airstrike on a compound east of Kabul, believed to be used by Al-Qaeda. The Israeli Prime Minister has said Israel would be prepared to take more risks for peace with the Palestinians now that Hamas plays no role in government.
Well, moving on, and bond markets will be certainly hoping this Monday marks the beginning of some respite. Those European markets rose sharply, helped, of course, by, we've been talking about it all day, the tame reading on US core inflation. Remembering, of course, those tame inflation figures ease concern over potential Federal Reserve rate increases. And when you look at the European markets, all been rising, all on back of mergers and acquisitions. In a moment, the international news, but that's all from BBC's World Business Report. Bye-bye.
World Business Report, in association with Shell.